It's that time of year again. Washu Fest is back at Osaka Bay Tower. On Saturday, April 12th and Sunday, April 13th, 28 sake breweries from all over Japan will gather at the Atrium Plaza next to Bentencho Station. This year's event is bigger than ever in celebration of the upcoming Osaka Kansai Expo. Get ready for one of the largest sake tasting events in the Kansai area, with over 140 varieties of sake to try. From freshly brewed seasonal sake to crisp sparkling varieties and rare premium labels, we've got an incredible lineup of Japanese sake waiting for you. There'll even be some first-time breweries and special limited editions making their debut this year. Of course, there'll be plenty of delicious food too, from special dishes made with seasonal ingredients to regional specialties from across Japan. And don't miss the powerful live stage performances. Enjoy a unique mix of tradition and innovation through our live music shows. Tickets are on sale now. Don't miss your chance to be part of this exciting event. For all the details on how to grab your tickets, just scan the QR code at the bottom left of the screen. Let's raise a glass of sake together. Come join us for an unforgettable experience filled with delicious sake. We can't wait to see you there.